It's me. All right. In case YouTube, I'm the right owner of this page. I'll be glad you all knows this and help me. Let's go because I'm being impersonated by someone. Someone is really impersonating me. The rightful owner on this particular account. So please let's share this live. Lillian, thank you for joining. Thank you. I'm surprised they allowed me to stream on this account. I'm surprised. I'm very surprised. Scrub Success, Nazi Clara, may you repent. I'm very surprised they allowed me to stream here. So please, everybody should, if you are here, just be typing